Thanks, Ken, and thanks, everyone. What a fantastic day to be here at T.O. Smith Elementary. I am so excited for the prospect that lies before us.
We at Hughes, we appreciate the opportunity to once again be able to work with the Ogden School District.
Thank you all for coming here, and thank you to the community and citizens who voted for this building. I know our community has really looked forward to it.
This school was built in an era without air conditioning, computers, high-speed internet, all of the technical and ADA compliant necessities. So I realize it's in a sore need of updating. And we want our TO Tigers to be prepared in all areas of life to be successful. And in order to do that, we need a new building.